when we talk about that how we have to build up an industry and what steps we have to take further. So, type of power, these are the essentials which every industry needs, that is water, fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, nuclear. Without all of these essentials, an industry cannot work, and industry cannot move forward. So all of these things are very important when you're deciding to set up an industry. Now, let's move forward. All right. Now, why am I saying that all of these things are pretty much important when it comes to industry? See, without water, an industry cannot be run, okay, and without the other essentials as well. If I talk about land, yes, I need a land, I need capital, I need, you know, raw materials, I need each and everything that is necessary for that purpose, okay. Now, the next thing is industrial linkages. Linkages basically means that you are having joint ventures, you are making your bonding strong with another company through which you're dealing, right? And industrial means that, see, when you're starting with a business, so you're not limitizing that business, you want to expand that business. You're meeting multiple shareholders who will invest into your business, who will be your partner, or who will be the shareholders of your business. So that actually means industrial linkages. Number one, location choice is very important. If you want to set up a small scale industry, so definitely you don't need a larger land. But if I talk about large scale industry, so as compared to small scale industry, you need a more larger land. Number two is continuing operations of firms at given location. It is very important, yes. For example, if I talk about Food Panda, so Food Panda have the services as well. If Food Panda is not working properly, so you go and you complain over there that this is my problem and you should solve it. Food Panda will listen to me. Food Panda will try to solve my problem, because Food Panda doesn't want that the relations should be, there should be a negative relation between me and Food Panda, or if Food Panda never wants that. Similarly, when I talk about continuing operations of firms at given locations, so yes, all of these operations which are performed by all of the labor force, or all of the people who are employed onto that job, so they need to understand their responsibilities and they need to be sincere to their job. Now, when I talk about the third point, constraints on movement, it is very important each and every step which you are taking to move forward in context of the progress of your industry. Now, when I talk about type of linkages, so there are actually two type of linkages, as you can see over here. Material linkages, that is tangible, which you can touch. For example, the process, that how you have to maintain good relations, subcontract links, that you are inviting other people at your desk to talk about this thing, services link, you're marketing your product, marketing links, you're expanding more through social media, through multiple firms such as electronic media or newspaper. Now, when I talk about information linkages, that is non-tangible. It is basically the idea on which you're implementing, which include, banks, stockbrokers, telephone, and face-to-face contact between firms. We are doing all of these things because we want to maintain good relations and we want to expand our business more. So all of these things are very important in this context. Now, this is the assignment for all of you. There are two questions which are listed over here. You have to do these questions into your notebook. As I always say, that kindly, whenever I am giving you a lecture, if you feel like that you want to add some point, you can add it, or you can even text me on WhatsApp, or you can ask me on KP. And yes, one more thing, when you complete the assignment into your notebook, you have to take a picture, and where I will post instructions on KP, under those instructions you have to post the picture. All right. Thank you so much. I hope that this presentation was informative for you, and I hope that all of those queries which were coming into your mind, all those queries are cleared. We will meet you in with another presentation. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.